Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
Hi, Steph. We're going to talk really quickly about how to toggle between different views in your gradebook. So let's go ahead and go into Gradebook here in Synergy. And some of you might have noticed this earlier in the year when we switched over to the new gradebook, but you have two different views in your gradebook here. And they begin right here with your display options. So you have display options default, which will affect what you see here, all of these different options. You're going to see more of them, including your analysis bands and showing grade codes and things like that, if you are switched to default rather than basic, which will limit your view options. Here you'll see fewer options to toggle between, and that list has been abbreviated in your viewpoint. So if you want to see more of those, toggle to default.